Number 1. Coconut oil as an energizer. 1 teaspoon can give you a burst of energy instead of turning towards a caffeinated energy drink. Number 2. Shaving lotion. A close shave and a moisturizer at the same time. Number 3. A facial scrub. Combine coconut oil with Himalayan crystal salt and apply it to your face each night. Washing it off is optional. I'm just imagining the benefits of leaving this on my face overnight. Number 4. Use coconut oil as a body scrub. Combine coconut oil and sugar. Check the description below and the comments below for more info on this body scrub. Number 5. Makeup remover. Lots of people love to use coconut oil as a makeup remover. You can apply coconut oil to your face with clean hands and then remove your makeup. You'll want to use a cotton round or a clean cloth to remove any of that excess makeup. And then your face will be left feeling very moisturized as well. Number 6. Use coconut oil as a cheekbone highlighter. Apply a small amount on your cheekbones over makeup. That's it. Now you look glistening. Number 7. A homemade lip balm or lip gloss. You can apply it directly, or you can create a flavored version with this simple lip balm recipe. Check the description below for a link to the simple lip balm recipe as well. Number 8. Use coconut oil as a lubricant on small motors and electronics. One Facebook fan uses it to keep his juicer's motor in top working condition. Somebody's putting that juicer to work. Number 9. Homemade deodorant. You only need a few ingredients in addition to coconut oil to make a simple homemade deodorant recipe. Check the description below for a link. And please do leave your comments below with body scrubs, lip scrubs, and homemade deodorant recipes as well. Number 10. Baby care. Apply regularly to the baby's bottom to improve their skin's health. Number 11. A sexual lubricant. One of our Facebook fans swears by this one. Number 12. As a moisturizer during pregnancy. Moms-to-be love coconut oil to help moisturize their growing belly. Number 13. Nipple cream during breastfeeding. Coconut oil is a popular choice for nursing mothers because it's natural and a safe product. Number 14. A body moisturizer. Apply directly after showering. You're really going to lock in the moisture. Number 15. A massage oil. Coconut oil is the perfect choice for massage oil. It's not too greasy and it has a relaxing scent. Number 16. Mix in bath water. Melt about a quarter cup and add it to your bath water and then just soak. Number 17. After sun care, a great moisturizer to use after you've gotten a bit too much sun is coconut oil. Number 18. A facial moisturizer. After you wash your face, massage a light layer of this onto your skin. I've used it before. I like the way it feels. Number 19. You can use it as a tanning oil. Put it in a spray bottle and bring it to the beach. Spray it on your skin to keep moisturized. But remember, it's also being used as a tanning oil, so you won't want to spend too much time in the sun. Number 20. A dry foot treatment. You can mix it with salt to form a foot scrub. Number 21. Elbow rub. It'll help you manage that dry skin on your elbows. We've got a few ideas on how coconut oil can help you care for your hair. Number 22. Hair flyaway tamer. Use very sparingly on the ends of your hair and where the areas are a bit more flyaway. Number 23. A static reducer. Rub your hands together with a little bit of coconut oil and then rub them through your staticky hair. At Unusual Facts, we're collecting all kinds of tips and tricks. We've got more healthy uses for coconut oil. Number 24. Homemade toothpaste. Combine equal parts of coconut oil and baking soda. Sweeten it with stevia if you like, and flavor it with your favorite essential oil. Number 25. A metabolism booster. 2 tablespoons per day are proven to rev up your metabolism. Number 26. A thyroid supporter. Regular coconut oil consumption has been shown to support healthy thyroid function. Number 27. Oil pulling. That's when you swish coconut oil around in your mouth for about 10 minutes before you brush your teeth. If you want more tips and tricks on oil pulling, check the description below. Number 28. Aromatherapy. Whether you like coconut or not, the soothing aroma of coconut oil is pleasing to all of us, and it can help us wind down after a long and stressful day. Did you know that you could use coconut oil around the house? Here's tip number 29. Help deter pests. Add an essential oil like tea tree or citronella, and you can apply this to skin. Number 30. Leave-in overnight conditioner. If you're looking for deep conditioning hair treatment, you can rub a small amount of oil into your hair, mostly at the ends. Then comb it through and put your hair in a loose bun before bed, then wash it out in the morning. Silky smooth. Number 31. A defrizzer of split ends. Just put a tiny amount on your hands and run them through your frizzy areas. Number 32. Coconut oil isn't just for humans. The MCTs are a natural source of energy for your pets too. Put it on your cat's paws. Put half a teaspoon on your kitty cat's paws to keep a shiny coat and to cut down on those hairballs. Brush your dog's teeth with it. Dental health is important for pups, but they love the taste as well. Thanks for watching this video filled with unusual facts. Like it with a thumbs up. Comment below if you've tried any of these tips or you have any additional tips you want to share with the group. And subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video from Unusual Facts. See you next time.